Hello, I'm aminganjabi from Sharif University of Technology. This video will teach you the model setup of a laser metal deposition process. A laser heat source will be used to melt up a metallic material and to deposit it on a layer on a metal sheet. In total, 11 layers will be deposited, and between the single layers 3 will be pause time for cooling the components. A fixing will be used to restrain all degrees of freedom of the sheet. At first, a new project has to be created containing a new process. Change the process name to a meaningful name like LMD. Process type laser beam welding, 20 degrees centigrade, component 1, fixing 1, and robot 1. Right click on geometry, and select plate, millimeter. Okay. After the base plate is attached to the process, please import the geometry for the fixing. This geometry is based on material unit system. Please make sure the correct unit system is selected for import. Right click on geometry, fixing, material import surface mesh. Now, we need a material for the base plate and the robot. TI aluminum. Now the trajectory have to be created. They can either be created by imported via CSV file. Trajectory, import, open. Use for all trajectory. After the trajectory are imported, they need to be configured. Right click on the first trajectory and select configure in the context menu. The configure dialog open. In this dialog, the global orientation vector for the trajectory need to be 001. Change the orientation vector and confirm the dialog by pressing OK. The change do not need to be done for every trajectory. Instead, the parameter transfer can be used. The parameter transfer dialog open. Click OK. Transfer 1 by 1 robot. The reference trajectory is already preselected. Activate the checkbox, try global orientation and all trajectory. Millimeter. Use unite for all mesh. Atlas item heat source has to be defined. Enter the data velocity 0.005 meter second. Specification mode transient direct power. $1,200 and 0.6 geometrical type laser, millimeter, enter the data, if the heat source is defined properly. Drag and drop the heat source object directly on the robot in the process tree. Now we need to define a proper timing for the trajectories in the robot dialog. Until now, every trajectory start right after the previous trajectory has finished. This is not correct for this type of process. Double-click robot. Please enter the pause time of 25 seconds for every trajectory. This means that between end of first trajectory and start of second trajectory, a cooling period of 20 simulated. The last object that needs to be defined in the solver object. Okay. Double click solver. Unclick hide and content separation. This allows separation of nodes only in the following time setup. As we do not have any touching tag in the simulation, but only glow contact, this option is not needed. For the simulation should end off 800 seconds. And okay, and start analysis and look at result. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck.